day, everyone. Welcome to WiseLink Academy. Today, we want to draw an ellipse. That is a given question. This is a given question. Construct an ellipse whose major axis is what 120 millimeter and the minor axis is what 80 millimeter. This is what we're having here. So take note that the major axis, whenever you hear the word major axis simply is what is the horizontal line. Whenever you hear major axis, it simply means what? Your horizontal line. This horizontal line here is known as what? Major axis. But your minor axis is the what? Is the vertical line drawn across the horizontal line. So this is your what? Your minor axis, and this is your what? This line here is your what? Major axis. So now let's proceed. I want to draw out this question. So they said that we should what? Our major axis is what? 120, and our what? Minor axis is what? 80. Let's proceed. Let's draw horizontal and what? Our vertical line. Use of my t-square, I will draw my horizontal line like this. Horizontal line. Can you see it? Can you all see it? So now from this horizontal line, I will draw a vertical line using my what? Set square. Using my t-square. Now using my t-square, you draw a vertical line downward. Let's do that. So take it like this, upward. So where they are meeting at this point, this is our starting point. You get that now? So what our question is saying that they said the major axis, and as I said earlier, I said the major axis is what? Your horizontal line is what? 120. So we're going to take our what? Our compass. This is our compass. So our yes. So this is our compass. Let's take it and measure 60. This is from here to here. Here to here is our what? Our 60, isn't it? You place it at this point here. You draw a faint circle. A faint circle. After you're successful drawing your faint circle, the next thing is to what? Draw your what? Your minor axis of what? 80 millimeter, which is what? We're going to what? Measure 40 with our what? Our compass. Measuring 40 from here, 40, put it at the center point. You draw a faint circle also, a faint circle. So what do you notice? You notice that this circle here and this circle here are sharing the same center. Whenever you see circles like 3 or 4 or 5 circles sharing the same center, it is called what? Concentric circle. It's called what? Concentric circle. Let's proceed. Now the next thing is what? Divide the circle into what? Into 12 equal parts. We want to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. And how can we do that? This is how we do it. You take a compass, you measure from this point here. So now, before we do that, note that here is our what? Our point A, and here is our what? Point B. Here's our point C, and here's our what? Point D. Our point D. So now let's proceed. Let's divide this circle into 12. You put your compass here. extend it to this point here, isn't it? Middle point. You strike an arc. You come here to at your A, point A, strike an arc. You can see that. You come to this upper point here, strike an arc here, an arc here. So the next thing is to take your meter rule from this point here. Once our arc, first arc here, I'm going to join it. So to this, it will pass through the middle point to the other side. So let's do that. You can see that. Let's proceed. You take this one too. You join it to the point, center line. It's going to touching the center line. You can see this. So you take from here to, you join to the center point to this place. Can you see that? You take the last one here too, touching certain point, cross like this. Now, if you count this, you see that all what is there is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have successfully drawn our 12. We have divided the circle into 12. So the next thing is to do, let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see that we are correct. So the next thing is to do is just what? From this point, what we just want to need, what we need is this point and this point, this point, this point, this, and this, and this. So what are we going to do next? You take your t-square, you will join this point here, you join this point here horizontally like this. You can see that. That's what I'm doing. So you join this edge here. You know this is our minor axis. For your minor axis you draw what? Horizontal line. For your major axis you draw what? Vertical line downward. You go to help your t-square. Take it downward. So it's provide what? A point. This point here is our first point. As you can see. The next thing is what? Come to the second one. This one here. You take it like this. You draw a horizontal line. You take your set square. At your major axis, you draw a what? Vertical line connecting to the what? Major axis horizontal line. So we are having this. Isn't it? Let's come down here. You come here. You draw horizontal line. You take your this here. You take here. You take this one upward. You can see that. So this is another point here. Understand that. So this is a point. This point here, you are using this point here, and are using this for our point B. So we are using point C and point D as I showed you earlier. So don't do the mistake of choosing your point this 12 and this 6, because we are using only D and what? Point C for the minor axis. For the major axis, we are using A and B. So let's proceed. Let's do what we did to the others. We replicate the same thing we did. Horizontal line. You come here. Vertical line. Connecting it. So here is our point at which is meeting. Let's proceed. Let's be fast with this. You come up. You connect this to this. You draw a vertical line downward connecting to this. You can see that. The next one is to what? Draw a horizontal line to this. Connect it. Connect that horizontal line to this vertical line, or vertical line to this horizontal line we have in here. So finally, you see draw for this one too. Draw a horizontal line, a vertical line touching that edge to give us what we want to achieve. You draw a horizontal line like this, come from this point, from your point here, you draw this to this. So we have finally successfully drawn all these points we need here. The next thing to do is to what? Take your French curve. Now you make sure your French curve is touching A and C. Now let's do that. A and C. So you take it like this. Sit here, touching A and C. Then you gauge it. So if you're having something like this, you can see that you come to this. What you did here, you can do it like this. You point C and B, point C and your point B, you put it like this. So then you what? You gauge it. You know that to touch each other. You can see that. You can see that. You join it. Can you see that? You come to this place too. You know, we use like this and like this. So you come like this. You join it. Your point A and point D. You can see that. You come like this. You take it like this. You can see that. Then you now come here from your point D touching your point B. You get it. Now, this is our Ellipse. If you find this video helpful, please click the subscribe button and like. Thank you.